now today is the 21st of June 2021. Here's Väinölä number 3 building here in Hervanta. Boys Hervanta, North Hervanta here in Tampere, Finland. And Hervanta is the most well-known suburb of Tampere, and this was originally built in 1977. The address is also Opiskelijankatu 4. And yeah, it has 13 floors, and let's see when this was replaced. It was replaced in 2019. The serial number is 43729039. The capacity is 4 per or 400 grams. Let's go to the full cave first, the basement floor. Still not bad, but the original 1977 was much more interesting.
Yeah.
I believe they also had Valmislieren here.
Yeah.
It will be inspected in 2023. I have also filmed 1978 built with, I think, 14 floors.
Yeah.
I think you remember, you saw the pictures.
Yeah.
Quite close here. So, some original I have also. Button here.
Yeah.
There are Roman numbers, that's nice. They have them here.
Yeah.
It's still on the 6th floor.
Yeah.
And let's have a look at the view. You can see it with the top from here.
Oh.
It's very nice. It's the different view.
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice. You can see the forest from here like that.
Yeah.
Oh, oops. Yeah, it's still calm, I think. So
Yeah.
we can send it up when the calm down. So
Yeah.
we can change elevators downstairs.
Yeah.
Still not bad. It's a dash 3, so, but it's a bit boring. It's stainless steel.
Yeah.
But not the worst possible.
Yeah.
Because these buttons are still nice.
Yeah.
But of course, I would have wanted the original version.
Yeah. Expectiittaakin vai mentiin paikkaan.
Though I am not sure if this was original before 2090, because on elevator it was something, I don't know, maybe more Delta or something.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. But I think all of them were replaced in 2019.
Yeah.
But we can also check all of these, like, I think 3 others or something.
Yeah.
And let's send it up, maybe to the 7th floor. Let's up and down here.
Yeah.
Without a chime.
Yeah.
I don't think they had any floor indicator before, maybe just those arrows.
Yeah.
Also replaced in 2019, originally built in 1977. The serial number is 43729038 with 13 floors. It's going to be inspected in 2023. And the capacity is 4 persons or 400 grams. Maybe it's always been the same capacity. Or 320 grams.
Yeah.
You can press.
Yeah.
Doesn't know. Could have been a little bit faster.
Yeah.
They've always been the same speed, but a little bit faster could have been. Like as fast as hotel elevators could have been.
Yeah.